Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new smart glasses. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them out for reviews. Let's go and actually take a look at them. Alright, let's check these out. Seems to be the trend, these smart glasses. User manual for it. Check that out, how cool they look. Check it out. Let's open them up. Very cool. Sweet. You also get a cleaning cloth for them, the charging cable for it, and then you also get these little covers for them in case it seems to get a little loud. So very, very cool. But let's go ahead and actually try it out. You should be able to take calls from them, hear music, things like that. And they look like just regular glasses. So I did like that. So let's actually hook them up. So you do have a button right up here. So it says to long press it for 3 seconds. I don't know if you heard this is power on. I'm gonna hook it up to my iPad first and then we'll hook it up to my phone. All right, so there it is. This one is called United X. So we'll go ahead and click there. All right, there it is, ready to go. So plug and play. Let's actually try them out. Put on something on YouTube first. Cool. Get them a little closer so you can see. I'll put it all the way up. That's cool. It's pretty loud, honestly, and it doesn't sound so loud out here, but once you have them on, it is way louder. So that is cool. Definitely good for something like if you want something hands-free, if you're working or driving or anything like that, just have it on the glasses and you're good to go. So one of the cool things about the glasses was this button. You can actually use it to like take photos. So if I have my camera up on a tripod or something like that, check this out. If I just hold it, it'll take that photo. Same thing as if you're on video and you want to start the video, you can just do so as well. There it goes. Same thing with YouTube. So as you can see, it's playing right now, and then hit play again just by tapping it. So very cool. So it's not just power on, power off. This can actually help with other different features. What I thought was cool, so that way you don't have to be taking your phone out or anything like that. You can just control everything right from the glasses. And the sound quality is good as well. So whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or anything like that, it does sound good. All right, so let's actually go ahead and try the phone call. I'm not even sure what it sounds like, how it rings or anything like that. So let's actually see. Hey, babe. Can you hear me? Loud and clear? Yes. It sounds good? Yeah. It's from the smart glasses. Those are your smart glasses. See? Alright, so as you can see, the glasses themselves did not ring. Once I felt my phone vibrating and ringing, I just went ahead and pushed that button. It took the call, and everything was just seamlessly through the glasses. So if you guys are looking for some new smart glasses, so that way it could be a little bit more hands-free, whether you're driving or working, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.